citizenship. Welcome to this video series of our subject town planning. So today we are going to understand the introduction of town planning. The term town planning indicates the arrangement of various components of town. The art of town planning lies in arrangement of town components in such a way that the final result is in the form of beautiful, efficient and effective town. Now how it is evolved. Man was initially nomadic, then agriculture, and finally it evolved into an urban society. The world, city and civilization have emerged together with structural framework and architectural furnishing, and in which civilization functions. The study of ancient towns helps in solving problems of town planning even of today, such as effective road networks, water supply, drainage system. Mohenjo-daro is considered as the most planned city in the world. Mohenjo-daro was the most planned city in the world. It was an important trading center in that era with impressive road network and efficient water supply and drainage services. As you can see on the screen, there are four major objects of town planning here. Object of beauty is achieved by giving architectural finishes to the town blocks. Object of convenience includes the formation of economical, recreational and social activities. Town planning is concerned with bringing a better relationship between man and his environment. Object of health is achieved by provision of open spaces like parks and playgrounds for physical and mental growth of town users. The town should not be designed only to satisfy the needs of future generation, but also preventing haphazard fashion of town with the probable growth and development. These are the principles of town planning. One have to face serious issues like this in absence of town planning, so it should be carefully made. Every plan must have to adopt proper planning for its better use and function. Origin of town includes two major features. The one is topographical features, which includes hilly areas, river banks, ocean fronts, industries, etc. The another feature is functional feature, which includes economical aspects, health aspects and recreational aspects of town. The early man was nomadic, then grown into small towns with sufficient amenities to develop a larger town. There are three categories of town planning given by Sir Patrick Geddes, which is primary, secondary and tertiary. Another four categories are given by Sir Griffith Taylor, which are infantile, juvenile, mature and senile. Next, six categories of town planning is given by an outstanding thinker, Louis Mumford. These are like Neopolis, polis, metropolis, megalopolis, tyrannopolis and necropolis. The first category in every classification indicates the village settlement based on agriculture. The middle stage includes like polis and secondary stage, which includes basic amenities of town. The middle stage in town classification includes the sufficient amenities and agriculture's mixture. When a town reaches at a certain size, some sort of satellite growth is bound to take up place. As you can see on the screen, satellite growth. This term is indicator body. It is influenced in a more powerful body but having its own identity. This term is independent with its economical, recreational and social activities. That's all for now. Hope you like this video. Keep watching. Thank you so much.